Welcome everybody to this new video to Express. Let's take a look into how we can create our very first Stripe account totally for free. I'm going to leave you a link down below in the description if you haven't had your actual Stripe account. So this is totally free, and the best part, you can enjoy a lot of features from Stripe just by signing in. So the very first thing you want to do after you click down below into the link that I just gave you down below is just to hit into your actual email that you wanted to register for the very first time. So you choose your email, you add your full legal name, you add the country where you're currently living, and after that you wanted to create an actual passcode, a strong passcode. So it's really important to select the country where your business is incorporated. If you are an individual, select where you're doing business from. So this is really important because Stripe needs to be linked with your bank account in order to receive the money. So it's truly important to add your actual country. After you have input your information, hit now and to continue. You should now be redirected into the verification of your email. So you want to go into your email and just verify the account is legit and you are the actual owner of this email in order to continue. After you clicked into the link down below that it was generated for your actual email, it's going to be asking you to activate payments on your account. So in order to do that, we need to fill all the information about our business profile to accept payments. If I clicked into the receive payments, it's going to be asking me where's my business location, what's the type of business. You hit into continue. Then later on, it's going to be asking you a little bit more about your business details, like what is your legal name, what is your email, your date of birth, your home address, your phone number, your personal identity that needs to know for your taxes, and hit now to continue. Adding more stuff about your business, for example, the industry where you're located at, your business website, and your product description. So we can provide anything about what is your actual business. For example, we are an online store, or you create videos for YouTube and you want just to make sure that you are actually, let's say, you can import your URL from YouTube if you wanted to. That would be totally up to you. Now, the statement description is how you would like to appear into your public details. For example, what you need to do is to add your bank details. You can secure your account if you wanted to, review all of that, and hit into finished. And just like that, your account should now be created and verified. You are now ready to get started with Stripe. You are now ready to send invoice, to sell payment links, to receive the money, to pay, to check it out your balances, and much more. So lastly, what you just need to do is to go directly into your payment or into your balances so you can input your own money in your own bank accounts in order to pay and to get paid inside your actual Stripe. So with that being said, we have now reached into the very end of the video, but don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more elements of the actual Stripe and much more tools that Stripe can give us totally for free. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Hopefully, I can see you next time. See you soon.